So I'm going to show you how to do text to column in this video, and the reason we would do text to column in Excel, it's a sort of data conditioning cleaning technique you can do in Excel where you might have multiple values that you need to separate, but somebody has them all lumped inside the same column. So a perfect example of that is right here. I have this schema where it just has cars that are located in certain areas, right? And there's a column called car, but the entry has collected multiple different data points about the car inside one column. So I can't really begin to visualize or separate based off of this field having all of this stuff, because this is just a string that says blue Accord Honda. But what I need this to say is car color blue, car model Accord, car make Honda, right? So I need to go and split these out. So I'm gonna dive into showing you all how to do that real quick. So I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna insert two columns here, and that should be enough. Actually, I'm not. Give me 1 second. I'm pretty sure we'll have this all lined out. So we're just gonna go and split this column up. Just go to data in Excel and then go to text to columns. All right, cool. So when we come in here, the convert text to columns wizard is going to guide us through how to do this. So we're just going to use a fixed width, right? Or actually, excuse me, we're going to use delimited. And delimited allows us to separate based off of whatever we want. So we're going to separate based off of a space, but you could separate based off semicolons, commas, or anything else that is being used, like a dash or whatever. You just pick what it is, and then you hit next, and we're looking through this. Looks good. So I'm gonna hit finish, and there we go. All of this stuff goes into the fields it's supposed to, and then we can begin to mark these columns as car color, car model, and then we'll say car make. So now when we go to visualize this data, we'll be able to look at whether it's blue, red, yellow, the model, and the make. And so we'll be able to see how many blue Honda Accords we have, or how many red F-150s we have as a whole, assuming that this data set would, one day be larger. So that is how you do text to columns in Excel.